the spring roll in Vietnam. Anyone here had experience to do the spring roll before? Raise your hand, please.
Eat.
Yeah,
We've had.
Yes, only me. Okay. Before we do this, I will now wear the glove. As you may know, now it's a Vietnamese New Year holiday because we just welcome the New Year from 25 January. Yeah. So we often do the spring roll on the special day of the year. You are very lucky when go to Vietnam on the New Year holiday. So today we just do the spring roll. And yesterday you enjoyed spring roll? Yes, and today you can do it by yourself and compare that. Yesterday and today is much more better. Yeah. Now, before we do this, let me introduce some kinds of stuff to make the spring roll. And as you may know, it is the rice noodle. Yeah. Some type of salads, some type of vegetable we call it general salad. Cucumber, carrots, this is the fried eggs. Yeah, and this is chicken. Yeah. For people who are vegetarian who cannot eat the meat, you don't need to put it inside the roll. Yeah. And in fact, you can replace the cucumber and carrots with pineapple or lemons. It's up to your flavor. Yeah. And you can also replace the chicken with the pork. Yes. This one is very important here. We have one. The rice paper. You can easily buy it in any supermarket or market in Vietnam. It is very cheap for all of you. Yep. We need the right. Yeah. We need one rice paper over there. Yeah. Don't fly. As you can see, this is the side inside. This side is not sided.
Yeah.
No, not sided. It's sided. Step 1, you have to put the side inside of the rice paper up in the wet towel here to make it soft quickly. Yeah. For people who have much more experience to do the spring roll before, like me, you can put it under the water, but very quickly. If you put for a long time, it's easy to drop. Yeah. Just step 1, you put it in the wet towel like this and do like this. I call massage. You massage this white paper. Yeah. And train another side. You can now do like this side because it's maybe a little bit curved and the same too. Okay. And you use a little bit here. Some anyone like carrots?
Yeah.
For me, I don't like much, so I put a little bit.
Okay.
And white eggs. I can eat everything, so I put everything inside my roll. After you put all of this, you can go in.
शाइनी साइड पे डाला है या फिर
शाइनी 3 बार उसने बनाया, तीसरी बार किया।
Here, as you can see, we have the special mixed sauces over there and over there. It's made from the chili, sugar, water, garlic, lemon juice, and the fish sauce. It's important that we have to put the fish sauce inside the roll. Inside this one. It to make it without the fish sauce. It's just the water of the sauce.
Nice.
You can enjoy it. The fish sauce, I have a small bowl for you. Look at this. And this one. Yeah. It's easy for you to do it. I do it by myself. And this is mine. Yes. In Vietnam, we have the belief if we are good at cooking or we are good at doing the traditional food like this, that means, I can get married.
Oh.
So, may I get married with this one?
Yes.
No? Say yes, please.
Yes, yes.
Yes. But I wish I have boyfriend this year. Yeah, thank you so much. Now is your time. You can enjoy do it, and after that enjoy it. But when the girl first for me, yeah. After that you can enjoy it, or let me check you can get married or not. If you are single, only for people who get married already, you can enjoy it immediately. Okay. Okay, here's your flow.